everyone, this is Grishma here, the person behind Artbygriii, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can make this really cute pop-up card for your loved ones. Now let's get started with the tutorial. To make the card, take a cardboard sheet of any size that you like. Bigger the measurements, bigger the card. Now fold it in half. We'll take 2 white sheets and paste it on either side of the card. For the picture to pop up, this next step is really important. Take a rectangular piece of cardboard sheet with the measurements shown on the screen. Once you cut and fold, your final piece should look like this. For this step, make sure the center of the triangle matches with the center of the card as shown. Once you've ensured that both the centers match, continue gluing the piece onto the card. Just follow the steps shown on the screen. Now take a picture of your choice. Just make sure the measurements of the picture are smaller than the measurements of the card so that it fits perfectly inside. One thing to keep in mind is, if you can see on the screen right now, there's a white line. Glue your picture after that. This way, no matter the size of the picture that you're using, you will be able to fold the card without any resistance. And that's it. Your pop-up card is now ready. All that's left to do is to decorate it. Meanwhile, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and also leave a comment below. And if you'd like to request for any tutorials for any of the crafts that you see, you can always DM me or comment below and let me know which one, and I'll make them for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.